Hi, 7th grade. Today we're going to make a table and a pie chart that display the different colors you find in a bag of Skittles. So the first thing you need to do is count each of the 6 colors in your bag of Skittles. Don't eat your candy until your project's done. Open your Excel workbook, add another sheet, and call it Skittles. Next, you're going to add a title and merge the first 3 cells in the first row. Now drag your row header down a little bit to make your row taller and type in Skittles Count. Choose a background color for your title and center it vertically up and down. Type your column headings and then center them and bold them using your shortcut keys Command B and Command E. Now you're ready to start typing your colors. Set the background for each cell to the appropriate color. Now type the number for each color in your bag of Skittles. Add up the total for your Skittles by using the Auto Sum button. Now you'll figure the percent for each color. You'll need to take the quantity for each color divided by the total. Be sure to make your reference for the total absolute by pressing Command T. Now format your answer with a percentage sign. Autofill your calculation and then add up your percentages using the auto sum. The last thing you'll do is add a top and double bottom border for your totals. You're now ready to insert your pie chart. You'll have to select the colors on the left and their quantities. Don't include the percentages or totals in your selection. Go to your ribbon tabs, select Charts, and then choose the pie chart, the first option. By default, Excel will insert this chart in the current sheet. We will be moving our pie chart to its own spreadsheet. Go to Chart in your menu bar, click on Move Chart. Now select New Sheet and call it Skittles Pie Chart. We'll now customize our pie chart to make it look more attractive. The first thing we'll do is set the colors for each slice of the pie to the appropriate color. You do this by clicking once on the pie chart to select the entire pie chart and then clicking again on the slice that you want to change. Double-click on that slice of the pie to bring up your dialog box for formatting. Choose the Fill option and then select the appropriate colors. Let's add a title for your chart. You'll need to go to the tab called Chart Layout and then choose Chart Title, and we'll set it at the top of your chart. And let's replace the default text with Skittles Colors. And you may need to center it by dragging that text box to where it needs to be. Now we'll add the data labels which show the percentages for each color. You're going to go back to the chart layout, click on data labels, and choose the percentage option. Those data labels are pretty small, so let's double click on them and that'll bring up your dialog box for formatting. We can go to font and we can choose the size of the font and we can make it bold. Now let's move those data labels to the outside of your pie chart. Go back to Chart Layout, choose Data Labels, and then select Outside End. Let's add a background color to your chart by double-clicking on the background. It'll bring up your dialog box again. Go to Fill, choose a color of your choice, and then if you'd like to, you can add a pattern, and the patterns have all sorts of designs. You can choose one you like. Next, we'll add a text effect to your title. Highlight the text in your title, make sure you're under the font format category, and then go to your text effects gallery and choose something you like with a reflection or a shadow. Our legend is pretty small, so let's double click on it, go to your formatting dialog box, go to font and make your font size 16 or 18 and bold it. You may need to move your legend to the left just a little bit since it's larger. The last thing we'll do is what I call exploding your pie chart. In order to get this done, you need to make sure that you do not have your pie selected initially. And then click on the pie and drag outward, and it will pull all the pieces out. If you want to just pull one piece or slice out at a time, select that one slice and pull out. And that's it. Thanks for listening.